Okay, I'm ready. Hand me the port side piece that's got the drag from the, this isn't it. It's that one
Would you
right
like the
there.
glue? No?
Oh, well, let's see if it'll fit first
Oh,
before
okay.
we glue it.
Gotcha.
That's it. And we notice that it's been in two different ways. It's been in that way forward one time, and it's been in that way forward one time. Let's put this forward in the boat. Put that side forward.
This way?
Yep. And I'll stick my finger in the finger hole right there.
Okay. You got it?
Yep. We'll set it down in here. Lay it on the back piece. Slide it over. Libby,
Yes.
can you go turn the steering wheel and let me feel what's going on right here?
Rotate it both ways.
Yes, go ahead both ways. I'm watching that nut
Rotate it
right
both
there.
ways.
Watching that nut. I'm going to ask her to stop in a minute. Okay, go the other way.
The other way.
Stop.
Up.
Okay, keep going.
Keep going.
Stop.
Stop.
Come back the other way a little bit.
Back the other way a little bit.
Stop.
Stop.
Okay, I can see the top of the nut. Let me get my feet down here somewhere. So I think we got a good clearance. Yeah, we got some airspace in there, so we're looking good. Tell her to keep going the way she was.
Keep turning the way you were.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. The other way, the other way.
The other way.
Okay, we're good. Let me get my feet out of the mechanism. Let's see what I got going on down here with my foot. Okay, my foot's clear. Okay, now I'm going to stand on it, and I'm going to see if she's going to lift me. Okay, go ahead, see if I feel anything.
Which way do you want her to go?
The other direction.
Go back the other direction, Libby.
Keep it going, keep it going. Okay, keep it going. Straight, stop right there.
Okay, stop.
Okay, so we're not feeling anything. So to continue with our Band-Aid, we'll put a little bit of liquid nail on that riser, that 1 inch by 2 inch riser, pressure treated wood,
Yep.
just to hold it in place, and then we'll put the rest of the flooring back in. So I say MacGyver did a good job today.